Beautiful people, hi, welcome back to my channel. You're welcome back to Chef Nano's Reality. How are you all doing? Hope you're doing well, hope you're doing great. So you're welcome back to yet another beautiful vlog. So in today's video, we're making this sweet potato chips. Okay, you know these nice sweet potato chips you buy in the mall, in the supermarket. That's what we're making today. And here we have our potatoes already neatly washed. Okay, make sure you wash them, allow them to dry out, or you can dry them with your kitchen napkins before you start the process. Okay, so do well to peel your potatoes, like when they're neatly washed and dry. Peel your potato, make sure you peel them very well using your peeler. So guys, here is our multi-functional peeler. Okay, like you see this peeler, I use it for so many things. So here is what I'll be using to peel my potato. Like you use it to peel your potato. It's very easy to use. You see we're going to use it for other things. Like it comes in 5 different stuff, like functions. You use it for 5 different things, and it's very useful. Okay, I got this peeler for 200 naira. Would you believe that? And I've been using it for so long. So peel it, make sure you peel very clean and cut off the edge like so. So we're going to like just repeat the same process until our potatoes are neatly peeled. Okay, and we're not washing the potato. That's why we'll make sure it is neatly washed before we start the peeling process. Okay, feel free to peel before you wash, but for me, I like washing out the sand and everything, then I like to dry out, or I dry it out with my kitchen towel before I start the peeling process. So guys, keep washing and don't get tired. So guys, as you can see, we've peeled our potatoes and they're looking very neat. So now we're going to use our knife to remove all those, like you see those things you're seeing in the hole. You want to fry your potato chips and you want it to look very nice and yummy. So we're going to use our knife to remove all this. You see what I'm doing? Like I will use my knife like so to remove all those things we have in the hole. Okay, to make sure it's looking nice and ready for action. Okay, so keep watching. and don't get tired.
4 seconds, can you beat the sugar? Put you waiting on look daddy. I ain't got that much time. You seem anxious, you seem adamant, but you ain't pressed my line. Wondering why? No, you ain't shy. I'ma say bye, but I know I won't think twice. Better let go of your pride. No, just come on. Oh yeah. When a nigga pull on me, tell a nigga baby, don't you know all of these niggas wish that they could beg? I'm just saying, boy, you playing, you gon' let it wind down. You got 24 seconds and it's starting right now. I got
So you see, we've peeled them completely, like they are really ready to use. But at this point, you see these ones that are big, I'm going to use the knife to cut them into smaller sizes, okay? Because we cannot use our slicer for this, they are too large. So I'm going to use the knife to cut them into two, the ones that are large, while the one that can fit into our slicer, I don't need to cut into two, okay? So the ones that are big, I just divide them into two, and now I'm going to remove them from the bowl, then get our slicer, okay? Because that's what we'll be using for this process. So now I'll grab our slicer, then I'll start the slicing process, okay? So do well to follow this process, and I promise you're going to love it, okay? So here is our slicer. I told you I use it for so many things. You see, this is when you want to have different designs, like you want to grate your okra, your nutmeg, and you see this one I touched, that's the one I'm going to use. Like, it comes in 5 different functions, but I'm going to be using this one to slice my sweet potato chips, okay? So like so, make sure you hold it firmly, like you hold your potatoes very well, then you start the process, okay? So here is just what you need to do. It's very sharp, so you have to be very careful so you don't hurt yourself in the process. You have to be very careful, and it comes as very thin and nice. So this is exactly what you need, or you can go for the commercial slicer, but this works perfectly well for me. I use it for my potato chips, my plantain chips, and all of that, okay? I use it for so many things, and it works perfectly well for me. But feel free to get the bigger one, and you see how they are coming out nice and thin. So like so, you see how I'm holding the one I sliced into two. That's how you're going to hold it and slice your potato. So just follow the process until you're done slicing.
What the fuck you waiting for? Yeah, it's a lot of niggas hating, and I don't entertain them, but damn, you gotta give me more. If you don't want it like me, I can think about 100 things I could be doing right now, the rest of my time with you.
guys, you can see they are all ready. So this is our sweet potato. You see how nice and thin they look. This is what you get when you use the slicer. Okay, so follow this process and thank me later. Now we're going to start frying, and here we have our oil. Okay, so we're going to heat this oil up and start adding our potatoes to the oil. Please and please make sure your oil is not too hot or not too cold. Okay, make sure it's not too hot and not too cold. Your fire or your cooker should be on a medium heat. Okay, not high or low. If it's too high, your chips will get burnt, and if it is too low, your potato chips is going to soak the oil and you're not going to like it. So make sure it's on a medium heat. Okay, just make sure it's on a medium heat and you fry, right? And please don't be in a hurry to pour your potato chips in the oil. Okay, add them bit by bit like so. Add them this way so they don't stick to each other. All right, so don't be in a hurry to like pour everything into the hot oil. That way you find it very difficult to separate them. So make sure you take your time to add them in the oil like this so they don't stick and they come out really nice. So guys, make sure you don't add salt to this process. Okay, it's sweet potato we are frying, so don't add oil to the frying process. When it's ready, you get them out of the oil before you add a little bit of salt. Okay, immediately you get it out of the hot oil, you add a little bit of salt and you're good to go. You see the way I'm trying to separate them? This is what you should do, and you have to be careful because at this point, when you're not careful turning them, you notice they'll break out. Okay, they will break into smaller pieces, and you don't want that. So I'm taking my time to turn them, not turning them at the same time like I'm frying meat or something. That way they don't break out easily. Okay, and make sure you don't allow them to dry too much, like turn that golden brown in the oil. Once you know it's that brown, that light brown, like not too dark, you're good to go. You get them out of the oil. Okay,
24 seconds, yeah, you better not stop. You got 24 seconds, can you beat the shot? Put you waiting all up, daddy, I ain't got that much time. You seem anxious, you seem adamant, but you ain't pressed my line. Wondering why. No, you ain't shy. I'ma say bye. Better know I won't think twice. Better let go of your pride.
So guys, you can see our sweet potato chips is ready. See how nice it looks. So at this point, I'm going to add the salt, okay? So I'm just going to add the salt because it's still very hot. Like I just got it out of the hot oil. So you see the amount of salt I add. Make sure you don't use too much because it's sweet potato, okay? So I'm going to turn it like so to make sure it's mixed properly, okay? So that's exactly what I am doing. You turn it very well to make sure the oil, and rather the salt, mix properly. Now we're going to repeat the same process, like fry until we're done with the whole thing. Keep watching, don't get tired, because I'll be showing you how to package this at the end of the video. Guys, I just noticed I was using the wrong spoon. Like, ew, I don't want to ruin my pot, so I have to quickly change it, okay? So that's what I'm doing. The second batch is almost ready. Like, see how nice they all look. You need to try this recipe and thank me later. They're so crunchy and nice. So guys, our potato chips are ready. See how nice the look, looking so fresh and yummy. Like, guys, you want to try out this recipe. This recipe is everything. Okay, so with just 1,000 naira, this is what we got. We're still frying. Like, this is not all. Like, I'm still frying. This is so nice. So I'm going to be showing you how I package this, how you can package for sale. Okay, it's so nice, and this can last up to 6 months in a store. Like, you want to sell it, because that oil acts as a preservative. Okay, it preserves your chips. So I'm probably going to grab something, like grab a container, then show you how I package this. Okay, so you can sell this at to the mall, the supermarket. Just get nice stuff, package them, like make it very neat and flashy, and I promise you they are going to love it. Okay, you can have a certain amount for different sizes of container, and you package this and sell. Imagine getting a bag of potato at the rate of 12,000. You know how much you're going to gain from that. Get a really nice oil, okay, and fry this and package them. You can make your stickers, put them in the container, then you supply to those shops, and everyone, they're going to love it. Like, so thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to the channel, like our videos, and share. Give us a thumbs up, please. If you are a YouTuber, help us share this video so it can go viral. Okay, we'll see you in our next video. Bye bye, we love you.